how do you describe normal matter?
So it can emit, reflect, or absorb light. So, and it has electrons. It is made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons.
But neutron does not reflect light, as far as I know.
Sir, it occupies space and possesses mass.
Others tell they are made of.
Occupy space.
So do you mean to say the dark matter doesn't occupy space?
So dark matter does occupy space. That's the empty space in between.
Yeah. So what is normal matter? Again, I ask the question.
So I think I'm sure of the first point. They reflect and emit light.
The
So
neutron
it
will not
possesses mass?
neutron will not reflect and emit light. I'm convinced of that.
Sir,
Since
it's
you-
a bit,
It's like
they have
anything
mass.
Once
Anything
again?
that has mass and has volume, so takes up space and has mass.
Okay. So, so you see, a simple question like what is normal matter requires some thinking, right? Yeah.
Yes,
So since many people talked about normal matter as being electron, proton, neutron, so these are like good answers in a way, made of electron, proton, neutrons. Okay, that's fair to say that probably roughly what normal matter that we see in the world. But let me ask you a question. So the part that you say it doesn't reflect light, that part is kind of vague and actually wrong. Okay, because there are matter that will not have. So if somebody can jot down some of these questions, I'd like to answer it towards the end. Not today. I'll get sidelined. What does it mean? What does it mean to say something reflects light? That's not a very fundamental description, right? Right. So, and reflection, a neutron is a extremely tiny particle in terms of its spatial, so what does it? You can't talk about reflection of light as such. Can you talk about a reflection of light from one single electron? Is it possible? Little funny, right? Typically, we talk about reflection from a mirror.
But dark
Yes,
matter
sir, but-
can't be detected because it doesn't absorb or emit or reflect light, right? Because then it can be detected by radiation.
Yes,
I
so
know.
but
I want to. You are not incorrect, Soumya, right? Except that I would say that I want to move away from light per se.
Okay.
Because the moment you say light, it almost seems like you're talking about visible light. So light itself is a property of something else. So and dark matter probably doesn't have that doesn't respond to that property. So we'll talk about this towards the end, right? But I'm not saying what you're saying wrong, Soumya. I'm just saying that think a little bit more deeply in terms of what it means to say that it doesn't interact with light. Okay.